need a cup of coffee, and we're going to Milton Keynes. We decided to have a little test drive today and have a look at maybe test drives, but mostly have a look at different bikes. I'm on the market to purchase a bike. I haven't decided which one yet, whether it's going to be Superbike, Supermoto, Cruiser, definitely no 125. But yeah, so stay with us, we'll show you what we do. Not sure if they're going to let me film it inside, but let's have a look. So, ladies and gents.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
Oh my days. At the moment we're going for a look around, and we're going to see which one? The chopper looking stuff, which is, my gosh, they got some serious amount of bikes here. Harleys. Ah, Superglide. Softail? No, what is this? Nice. Right, let me try this. Alright, so we're gonna go have a look at Ducati. How do you say it?
Pretty Disadora.
Disadora.
Black or red?
Black or red? That's the Monday to Friday, that's the weekend one, I suppose. So the difference is the red one, the black one. The black one doesn't have the ABS. They're both hooligans. Prius 750. The sitting position is quite thin here. It's better for a passenger, I think, than a rider. Had a look right now at the Ducati Soro something. Now I'm looking at Ducati Super Sport. This one is S, the other one is Speciale. There's another normal and then S's. So let's have a look. Obviously tricolors, proper Italian, Speciale. Looks good. Oh, you do? Exhaust done, all that kind of stuff. Let's have a seat on it. On this one, it's really good. What do you think?
Let's go, buy it.
One for you, one for me. See, this one doesn't have a forward pegs, forward controls. This one's got a forward controls, and the forward control on this, I mean, this bike with the forward control feels so much better. The sitting position is just brilliant, but I feel like this is so squashed. Like, you hit the wall and that's it. The little pancake here, where the light I got used to being here, and there's no protection from the wind. and when you're sitting on it, that's the only info you have. Not that I'm saying I need more, because you need to be looking at the where you're going, but yeah, Ducati Diavol, this particular one, 14, ouch, but that's what it is. This one with the white wheels, different exhaust, weird looking wheel, not fancy that. Ducati Diavol, carbon with the different wheels, that looks brilliant. The seats are different as well.
But you can't ride this for hours or even an hour. It's uncomfortable. Your hands, you have lots of pressure on your hands, so all your body goes down. And when you sit there for an hour like this, you will get tired. So quite a lot of the time.
So I just tried a FTR Indian. Let me show you what it is. When you're sitting on it, it feels like just a simple naked bike, but the look of it, it's a V-twin, twin cam, private plate. That looks, I don't know, weird to me, but I'm sure we can put the indicators on the top. That's pretty cool. Jig says 750. I've ridden 600 or 650? What is 600? Yeah, so I had the 600. I had a go at 600 when I was in college, a long time ago, and that was cool. Very nice. How do I look? For me? Actually comfortable seat. For 105 kilo, that's 100. I can easily say that's a comfortable seat. Saying bye to Superbike factory in Milton Keynes. And the weather's actually going a little bit better. It's still cloudy and miserable. After all of this, I can easily say Kawasaki VN900 I still need to try out. Scout Bobber, something that I wouldn't mind trying as well. Yeah. So we've done the Superbike factory. Right now we're the Triumph, one of our local guys, and having a look at this beautiful machine. Look at that, Speed Triple 1200 RR. The only thing that that caught my eye is that front fairing. Got a cloth, I wiped it down. I'm ready for it. Young man here is gonna start it up for us. So this one's got standard exhaust, right?
This is completely standard bike, yeah.
Right, standard bike. Right, go on. That's standard?
Yeah. Scroll through, you've got your different rider modes. So you've got road, sport. There is a track mode as well, which puts your suspension into dynamic.
Right.
You've got a rider mode where you can set your own parameters and you can save that. So for example, you can set your ABS to road, set your engine mapping to track.
What's the power of this?
180 brake horsepower, give or take. a couple. It's about 180 horsepower.
180.